Good evening, students. Today we will study the chapter number 2, computer virus. Okay, so page number 1. So in this lesson we will learn about the computer virus, people who create virus, how does computer virus spread, effect of the computer virus, symptoms of virus infection, how to prevent computer virus, and how to get rid of virus in case of the virus infection. Before it, we will solve the some fill in the blanks which are given in your book on the first page, and these questions are asking from the previous class. Clear? So first question is, the person who writes computer program is called a. So everybody know its answer will be the programmer. So I am writing here the programmer. Okay. Second question, computer blank space is a set of logical step-by-step instructions written in a computer language. So computer program. You can also write here the answer, the application. Application and the program both are the same words. We store data and program on the secondary storage media like secondary memory. The famous storage device is the hard disk. So answer is the hard disk. And another storage device, the floppy disk called the pen drive. So nowadays everybody is using the pen drive. So answer is the pen drive. After that, a program has to be loaded in the blank space of the computer in order to work on it. So answer is the primary memory. Answer is the primary memory. Blank space of a computer is a volatile, so we store data and the programs on the second storage. So its answer is the again the primary memory. Okay. Now question is what is a computer virus? So I think everybody is aware about the computer virus. So computer virus is a program written to alter the way a computer operates without the permission or the knowledge of the user. A virus replicates itself That is, it make copies of itself. A virus attaches itself to a program or file and then copies itself to other files. Number one, the computer virus is a program. First thing very important, computer virus is a program. To alter the computer operates without the permission. It means that it enter into the computer system without taking the permission from the user and get the knowledge of the user. Clear? Knowledge of the user means that it read the data from your computer system, manage the file, deleting the file. So it can do everything in your computer system without taking the permission from the user. Another very important thing, the virus replicates itself, means that it creates its own copy in your computer system. Clear? So one important word, the virus. What is the meaning of the virus? The virus is the term coined from the biology. Everybody, the virus is the biological term, and virus is spread from one person to another person. The same meaning or in the same order, the computer virus is also spread from the one computer to another computer. Clear? How? Question is a how. What is the medium? Medium is the either the pen drive or the internet or the CD or the floppy. So these are the medium for spreading the virus among the computers. Okay, so a virus may just display a funny message or may do something really damaging like the wiping out the entire hard disk contents. As the computer virus is a program, the amount of damage a virus would inflict depends on the damage the virus writer wants to do. So first thing, sometimes you will see the funny message on the screen, like one message is given here, I am a friend. Virus displayed the message, don't worry, I am your friend. Means that this message will appear on your screen automatically if your computer system is affected from this virus. The name of this virus is the I am a friend. Clear? So funny message will appear on the screen. Another thing, it damages the file or the wiping out the entire hard disk. So either the damage the hard disk or wipe out means the remove all the file from your hard disk. Clear? So after that we will see the next. So you have a query in your mind, who creates the viruses. So in the early days of the personal computing 1980s, some of the people who created the computer virus had a certain misplaced sense of humor. For example, there was a virus that caused all the characters on the screen to drop at the bottom of the display. However, quite soon some really harmful viruses came out that were deliberately designed to corrupt and delete file and cause damage. Means that some people actually started some program for the fun. For example, the characters which are written on the screen, they drop one by one on the screen. So this was the fun, or you can say this is a game. But after that, Such type of the activities make the viruses, and the uh, aim was to destroy the hard disk and removing the file from your computer system. After that, it's always people who write computer virus program. A programmer usually write a computer virus program to cause the mischief or the damage. The program has the code to multiply. Actually, these programs multiply itself yourself, means they make their copies and occupying the space in your hard disk. Think and share. It is really wrong to create a virus. First thing, this is a wrong to create a virus. People all over the world waste thousands of hours for precious time cleaning and preventing virus from their computer. Discuss all the troubles caused by the computer viruses all over the world. So due to the virus, due to the virus, it wastes the thousands of the hours of the people. Clear? Why? Because the cleaning the virus as well preventing the computer from the virus. So effects of virus. Some computer viruses are the harmless. Clear? Other have the little harmful effect, but the some are really harmful. The actual effect of any virus depends on how it was programmed by the person who wrote the virus program. This is the reason why some virus programs are very harmful and other are not so. It means that the some viruses are not harmful. Some viruses are little harmful, but the some virus really very harmful for our computer system. Clear? So there are the three variety of the viruses. So dangerous virus actually modifying the file, infect and modifying the file, delete the file, and in the worst of cases delete the contents of the entire hard disk. So some viruses remove the contents of the whole contents from the your hard disk. How does virus spread? Question. So origination, a programmer writes a program, the virus to cause mischief or the destruction. The virus is capable of reproduction itself. So second thing, reproduction, as the reproduction means the copy itself so many times. The reproduction, when another floppy disk pen drive is inserted into the computer, the disk drive, the virus copies itself on the floppy disk or the pen drive. Means that if any computer system is infected from the virus or anybody insert the pen drive or the floppy disk, then automatically these virus transmit from your computer system to the pen drive or the disk drive. Transmission. Often the virus is attached to a normal program. It then copies itself to the another software on the hard disk. So how to transmit the virus? Actually, these viruses are attached with any program or the software. When you install this software in your computer system, then these viruses automatically insert in your computer system. Clear? Now the infection. So depending on what the original programmer wrote in the virus program, a virus may display message use up all the computer's memory, destroy data files, or the cause serious system error. So it is totally depend on the virus created. What is the type of the virus? What are the functions of the virus? If its function is to destroy the hardware part, then it destroy the hardware part. If its aim is to remove the files from the hard disk, then it remove the file from the hard disk. So our computer gets affected by virus by the following ways. Number one, it can be loaded onto your computer through the infected floppy, pen drive, CD-ROM, or the other storage medium. So as I told earlier to you how to insert the virus in your computer system, if you use the infected floppy or the infected pen drive or the infected CD-ROM in your computer system, then these virus insert in your computer system. Second, it can be transferred through the downloading file or an email attachment. So when you connect your computer system to the internet, and suppose you are downloading any file or the software from the internet, or you are opening your email and there is any file and you are opening this file, then maybe this file contains the virus and the virus can insert in your computer system. At this point, an infected file is in our computer's hard drive. When we run the program, it's infect the computer. So this virus actually insert in our hard disk, and after some time these virus activate and perform their tasks. We should always scan your file for the virus before using. So what is the precaution? Precaution is a whenever you download any file from internet to your computer system or the any drive to your computer, first you check it. Check it means the scan it. Clear? Through the different antivirus software. The virus may come from कहाँ से आते हैं? First the internet downloading program or the document may be infected. Programs that carry a virus can infect your machine as soon as you run them. Email can be include infected attachment. If you double click on the infected attachment, you risk infecting your machine. Document and the spreadsheet, these can contain the virus which can infect and make changes to order document or the spreadsheet. So document means the Word file and spread means the Excel file. So Word file and the Excel file also having the viruses. Clear? If you download these file from the other sources. Flash drive and the external drive. So flash drive means your pen drive. Your pen drive are called the flash drive, and the external drive, external drives, external hard disks are also available in the market. You can purchase it and use it. So these external drives may also have these viruses. Any removable disk like the pen drive could contain the infected program or the documents. Now the symptoms of the virus infections. So symptom, the virus are the program. Number one, all the viruses behave in the different manner. Whenever a computer behave in a different manner from normal, it may have virus. given below are the some indications that indicate that a virus has infected the system. So question is how you will understand your computer system is affected from the virus. So what are the symptoms? So number one, system A, unusual message appear on the screen. This is the first symptom of the virus if your computer system is infected from the virus. So you will see the unusual message like I'm your friend. Clear? Disk space is reduced. Sometimes you will see the message on the screen if there is a no space in your hard disk. So such type of message is coming in your computer system, then you can easily understand that your computer system is affected from the virus. Files started vanishing. Vanishing means the remove all the contents of the file. Means the file is there, but there is a no contents in the file. The computers unexpectedly start rebooting. If your system is reboot so many times automatically, it means that your computer system is affected from the virus. Keyboard keys lock up, and suddenly suppose your keyboard's lock, no, you are typing something and nothing is appear on the screen. It means that your keyboard has been locked, and this is the symptom of the virus. So question is how to prevent a virus. So I will cover this topic in the next lesson. So till goodbye. Clear? So my class is over. So have a good day.